How to change language on Word. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will learn how we can change language on Word. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. So for that, first of all, open up Word in your device. After that, head towards the file option at the top right corner, click on it. Now from this interface, again navigate to this menu bar on your left hand side, and at the very end there is an options of available as options, so click on options. Then you will have a word option box in your interface. If you navigate to this menu bar, there's an option as language, click on it. So here at the top there are some languages that you can change into, but if you don't have your preferred language right here, you can install some other language as well. So there, click on add a language button next to that, and from here select the language that you want to add. So first of all, you have to install this language in the device. Select the language and then click on install. Once the installation is complete, you will find that language right at this box. There you have to select the language, and once you have selected your preferred language, click on set as preferred button, and then the language will be changed. Once you have done that, you have to restart the Word and you will see the language is now changed. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.